When do YouTubers get paid? YouTube earnings, payment timelines will be explained in this video. This is the YouTube earnings, payment timelines. Number 1. Cutoff for YouTube earnings is every end of the month. For example, 31st of December 2024. Then, the earnings will be posted on your Adsense for YouTube account between 7th and 12th of the next month. So that would be January 2025. Then, the payment will be deposited on your bank account on the 21st of the month if you have reached the payment threshold of $100. An email will be received during payment day. I received the Google payments on the 22nd of January 2025 for my YouTube earnings as of 31st December 2024 cutoff date. The next cutoff date will be 31st of January. The earnings will be posted on Adsense between the 7th and 12th of February. Then payment will be received by the 21st of February. For any questions and clarifications, I will be responding on your comments. Thanks for watching!